How to connect Printful to Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we are going to be talking in great detail and depth about how you're going to be able to basically add a very simple you could say testimonial into your account. Okay, and in this case it's called Printful. Okay, and Printful is an amazing print-on-demand app, and where you can add it by just going on apps. You're going to click on all recommended apps over here, and from here you're going to go on Shopify App Store to add this. Okay, now once you click on Shopify App Store over here, you're going to come in the search apps and you're going to add Printful as so. You're going to click on enter, and here it says Printful print on demand. You're just going to click on it, and once you click on Printful print on demand, just click on install, and that will basically just ask you to enter your account details for Printful, and that is how you're going to connect your Printful to your Shopify in the easiest ways possible. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.